Hey guys, this is the part 2 more in-depth review on the Maybelline Great Lash Lots of Lashes mascara. So this is what the mascara looks like. It has a little heart on here that says lots of lashes. And then this is what the wand looks like. It is a heart-shaped wand. Okay, so for the rating for this mascara, I give this a 7 out of 10. And as for my overall thoughts of this mascara, I thought it was just okay. It didn't do a whole lot for my lashes. I definitely prefer the other Maybelline Great Lash mascaras over this one, but everyone's lashes are different. So although I rate this a little bit lower and give it a 7 out of 10, I don't think for everyone's lashes it would be the same. I know a lot of people prefer this over the other Maybelline Great Lash mascaras. So I would say if you have longer lashes than I do and you're more looking for a volumizing mascara, then I think this mascara would be perfect for you. So I do think it works for a lot of people, but people with already longer lashes. Otherwise, if you have smaller lashes like me, I would recommend using a different mascara, just your go-to mascara, and then putting this mascara on top of that one. That's how I would use it. Okay, then for my overall thoughts on the wand. So it is like a nice wand in the sense that it's really easy to get the outer corners of my eyes. So if you're trying to get your like outer corner lashes, I find that this wand actually worked better than the other Maybelline Great Lash mascaras. So in that sense, I really did like this mascara. But at the same time, I do find that this wand was harder for me to work with. If you have shorter lashes, it can get a little bit, I felt like it was like poked my eye out at some points a little bit. So you just have to be careful when you use it. And then I just found that it didn't get my lashes as easily as the other mascaras. So it wasn't my favorite wand, but I like the idea of it. I think it would be good over another mascara. Okay, then as for the overall thoughts on the curled lashes, so that's the right side. I definitely preferred this side over the left side. I just thought that my lashes looked fuller, they looked longer, they had a nice curl to them with using the lash curler. So I definitely did like it better. And then I felt it really gave me like a lash extension look. And then my lashes looked a lot darker and there appeared to be more of them. Now on the left side, the non-curled side, I definitely did not like my lashes on this side. I just thought it looked a lot more messy and it didn't look as uniform and nice on this side. So didn't really care for it. I also thought it looked a little bit more clumpy on this side, which was kind of surprising for me. But yeah, not my favorite on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to each individual coat. If you guys want to stop here, I'll have timestamps for you guys, but if you guys want to stop here, that's fine. But if you want to watch the whole video and see what I think of each coat, I will be doing that. Okay, so for the first coat, on the curled side, the right side, the lashes have more volume. Lashes aren't perfectly separated, but already look fuller. Lashes come together a bit, so they crisscross a little bit, and lashes appear darker. Okay, on first coat of the non-curled side, the left side, Lashes slightly come together, but not as much as curled side. Lashes not as full as curled side, but remain more separated. Lashes thinner than right side. Okay, for the second coat on the right side, the curled side, lashes come together more. There is slight clumps, but it's more like that crisscrossing, so two different lashes kind of coming together. More volume and lashes appear darker. Okay, on the left side, the non-curled side, for the second coat, lashes appear thinner than curled side, but lashes appear darker. Only slight clumps, but for most part remain separated. So that was one thing that was nice. With the less coats, the lashes did look more separated on the left side until you kept adding coats. Okay, now moving on to the third coat on the curled side, the right side, lashes appear longer, fuller, and darker, and they do have a nice curl to them, which I definitely preferred on that side. There is a nice curl, and lashes still only appear slightly clumpy. So just like slight clumps, and what I mean by that is the crisscrossing happening. Okay, as for the third coat on the non-curled side, the left side, I would say after this coat, stop here with coats. Otherwise, it will start to look more clumpy if you're not curling your lashes. Lashes appear darker, lashes come together more and have slight clumps, but still remain pretty separated, not as full and dark as curled side though. Looks like there aren't as many lashes on this side than curled side because it is clumping more, especially at the tips, and lashes aren't as thin, but are thinner than right side. So that would make sense that the lashes look thinner on the non-curled side, and that's something I noticed with each mascara I did. Okay, as for the fourth coat on the curled side, the right side, lashes appear more extended, and I would say 4 coats is realistically all you would need here. So I would stop at 4 coats if you curl your lashes, because otherwise it will be too much. Lashes look slightly more clumpy but have nice volume and curl. Lashes do appear darker. Okay, so for the fourth coat on the non-curled side, the left side, lashes come together even more and look slightly more clumpy at certain points, especially the tips of lashes. Lashes tilt to side more, not as even and nice looking, and it appears like there are less lashes on this side than right side. So I think, 4 coats is too much for the non-curled side. Okay. And then 4 coats is just the right amount for the curled side, the right side. Now going on to 5 coats. So for the 5th coat on the curled side, the right side, lashes look a little bit more messy, scraggly, looking not as even and spaced out. Lashes appear more clumpy. There is a nice curl, and lashes look extended, fuller, and darker. Okay, now for the 5th coat on the non-curled side, the left side, lashes look scraggly, not as even, look messy and clumpy. Appears to have less lashes on this side than the right side. Lashes don't look as thin, but don't look as natural either. So I think this was just too many coats. Moving on to the 6th coat on the right side, the curled side, lashes look more spidery, a little bit too messy, but remain nice and curled and full. Clumping on tips of lashes, and lashes appear darker, but there is too much mascara. Now for the 6th coat on the left side, the non-curled side, appears to be less lashes. Lashes look uneven and more messy. Has some length but clumps together too much. Lashes don't look as thin, but there's too much mascara. So there's just too much after all these coats. Then the 7th coat, the right side, the curled side, appears to be a lot of lashes. Looks fuller, nice and curled and darker, but lashes appear too messy, uneven, and too clumpy. There's too much mascara. On the non-curled side, the 7th coat, the left side, lashes look more clumpy at tips and looks more uneven and too messy, too much mascara.